hot from all that running.
Ah, it's so hot! I hate it! Ice cream, please!
Let's cook with Baby Shark. Here comes the ice cream truck. Baby Shark ice cream, which one should I pick? Which one should I pick?
Yellow sounds so yummy. Yellow, yellow ice cream.
Yellow, yellow ice cream. Let's make some ice cream. Where are the yellow ingredients? Wow! It's a yellow star. Should I make some yellow ice cream with this? This is orange, not yellow. Let's keep looking. A yellow squid? Wow! Looks really tasty. Found it! Here's a yellow lemon. Oh! Oh! There's a worm inside the lemon! Oh! A fresh mango! Perfect! All ingredients ready! Now let's get cooking! Which ingredient should we try first for the ice cream? Alright, let's make some ice cream with a yellow squid. Sprinkle some sprinkles on top. Pop it into the ice cream machine and... Ah! This one's not gonna work. Okay, how about we try the Twinkle Twinkle Star instead? Oh! The star lost its shine! In that case... Yes! That's the bright yellow star I know! How about we mix it up in the blender? Now into the ice cream machine and... Ta-da! Yellow star ice cream is ready! Here's your bright and shiny yellow ice cream!
Whoa! This ice cream is too sparkly. I don't think I can eat it.
Oh, oops! Let me make you another one! Let's try this! Slice it up like this and flip the peel like this. Now into the ice cream machine it goes! What kind of yellow treat will we get? Yellow mango ice cream is ready!
This is delicious. This yellow ice cream is exactly what I wanted.
The yellow ice cream was a hit! Now, shall we take the next order? Baby Shark ice cream, which one should I pick? Which one should I pick?
Red sounds so yummy. Red, red ice cream. Red, red ice cream.
Let's make some ice cream! Where are the red ingredients? Red strawberries! That's perfect for making red ice cream! Chili peppers? So red and ripe! These are red gumballs! I bet it tastes super floaty and fluffy! All right, red ingredients, check! Time to get cooking! First, let's try making chili pepper ice cream. Now, slice up the peppers. Why am I tearing up? Now into the ice cream machine it goes. Ta-da! Red chili pepper ice cream all done. Here's the red ice cream you ordered.
Ah, it's spicy! Fire!
Phew. Okay, how about we try these red gumballs then? First, blow it up nice and big. And into the machine it goes. Red bubblegum ice cream all done.
Ooh, This looks pretty tasty. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa! Why am I floating up?
Guess that wasn't it either. Huh! Why don't we try going with strawberries? Chop, chop the strawberries. Now into the machine it goes. What kind of red ice cream will we get? Red strawberry ice cream is ready!
Wow! It's so yummy! Baby Shark, you're the best!
Today's cooking was a total success! Now, let's check out everything we made today!
Yellow, yellow mango ice cream.
Red, red strawberry ice cream.
Oh, so sweet.
Nice and refreshing.
Baby Shark's ice cream.
Baby Shark, the best chef!
See you next time!